It's Aaron Parnell, the posture genius. When I go to parties and social functions, I go there and I say, hey, I'm a posture expert. And immediately people start straightening their body up like this. Do you want to know what I look for as a posture expert when I'm looking to see whether you have great posture or not? There are two things that are the telltale signs of when a person has great posture. The number one thing, now watch me from the side. How high is your rib cage relative to how high your spot is in the back? Ideally, these 2 points should be dynamically level so that you should have movement in your shoulders and your chest and your neck, but when you have it right, the base of the neck is on some level base. So if the shoulders are back far enough, it'll raise the rib cage in the front. How high your rib cage is in the front tells me the most about how upright your upper body is. Before I go on to number 2, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to ask any questions or make any comments. If you've got some good ones, throw some in there and I can respond or even know what to create for you. Now, let's talk about what I look for in the lower body. Great posture starts right here at the foundation because the pelvis is the foundation of your upper body, but it's also the capstone of your lower body. So whatever the pelvis is doing is telling the feet what to do. Now, here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for your pelvis to be straight up and down from the middle here, and I'm also looking for it to be mostly level front to back, so that when you move, and it's flexible, it should move like a figure 8 when you walk. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to just walk toward you, and you'll see the middle of my body moving, not my upper body. Now, I make it look really simple. It's not. I make it look really easy. It's not. But when you have great posture, your body is both strong and flexible so that having upright alignment is easy, effortless, and natural for you. Those are the two things that I look for when I'm looking for great posture or good posture. Now, if you're going to do it anyway, remember, if you're going to do it anyway, do it with great posture. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.